Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 483. This is first weekly contest of this year. Largest even number. So in this problem you are given a string S consisting only of the characters 1 and 2, right? You may delete any number of characters from S without changing the order of the remaining characters, right? And we have to return the largest possible resultant string that represents an even integer, right? If there is no such string, then we have to return the empty string, right? And these are the constants. Constant size is very small, right? 1 to 100. And S consists only of the characters 1 and 2. And here we can't change the order, right? We can't change the order without changing the order of the remaining characters, right? So here if you see, this string is ending with the 2, right? So this is even itself, right? So there is no need to do anything, right? The string already represents the largest possible even number, so no deletions are needed. Good. Here this is odd number, right? So I have to delete this one, right? Now this string becomes even, right? This 22 is even, right? So this is going to be the output, right? Deleting one results in the largest possible even number, which is equal to 22, right? Same way here, 1 odd, right? So I have to delete it. Now there is nothing left, right? So return empty. There is no way to get an even number, right? So very easy problem. What you need to do here, you have to just start iterating from the last, right? So let's say you are just finding the last occurrence of 2, right? Wherever the last occurrence of 2 is there, that is going to be your index, right? Let's use that as one index, right? Because that simply represents that we are able to form the even number now, right? So that's what. So here if you see, let's say I have this string something like this, right? So I am first I will say that, let's say the last occurrence of 2 is -1. I haven't seen any occurrence of 2 yet, right? This is 0 index in string, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index. So initially I'm here. This is not 2. That simply means our overall string is going to be odd only. Next time I am going to iterate here. First my I is here, then my I is going to move here. Again, next time my I is going to move here. So now I see that this is 2. So I have to stop here. So this is the last occurrence of 2 in this string. So I will update this to 3, right? So now I know the last occurrence of 2 in my string, right? So now what I need to return? I need to return the substring which is starting from here and ending at this 2. That's it. So this is going to my output. That's it. Very easy, right? So let's move to the code part. So last two, first I'm saying that I haven't seen any index, so -1. Then I have to find the last two. So I'm iterating from the end. I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, right? And if s dot char at I is equal to 2, then last two I'm updating with the index, right? And I'm breaking it, right? Because we just need to find the last index where 2 is there, right? And now if last two is still -1, right? This case, right? I still didn't find any 2 in my string. That simply means that there is no 2, right? So in that case you have to just return the empty substring, right? Right? Done. So now in the end, right, if 2 is there, so 1 1 1 2 1 1, right? So now I have to return until here, right? So this is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index. So I have to return the substring which is starting from 0, right, and ending at 3. So that is why I'm writing here 0, and here I'm writing last 2 plus 1. So I am writing 0 comma 4. So this 4 is exclusive here, exclusive, right? This 0 is inclusive. So this s dot substring means 0 to last 2 only, here until here. This last 2 plus 1 we are giving 4 because this 4 is going to be exclusive index, right? So that's it. So in this case the time complexity is going to be O of n. That's it. So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest 483. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Enjoy the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.